How to use coupon code on Temu. Apply promo codes and save instantly. In this video, I'll show you how you can use coupon code on Temu. So to get started, go ahead and open the Temu app into your device. And then from here, go ahead and select an item that you want to buy. So go ahead and click on the item and then click on the buy now button and then select the unit type for this specific item that you want to buy, and then make sure that you're signed into your account to be able to proceed buying. So once you're signed into your account, you'll get redirected into the checkout section. So in here, go ahead and click on apply coupon code below the donate with Tamu section. And then into the section, go ahead and enter the coupon code that you want to use. So limit one coupon code per purchase, and coupon code cannot be applied to shipping fees. Where can you get valid coupon codes? So Tamu regularly offers promo codes through the Tamu app. So under the coupons or reward section, you can also find coupon codes on the official Tamu emails and notification and trusted coupon sites like Deal Drop. So codes can give 30 to 99% off, free shipping, or cash discounts. So once you have entered your coupon code, you can go ahead and click on the checkout button to check out your purchase. And that is how you can basically apply coupon codes on Tamu.